Welcome. Today we're diving into a simple and effective way to send a highlight link on Instagram from your PC, thanks to the latest updates. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Instagram.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, head over to the profile that contains the highlight you want to share. You can do this by using the search bar at the top of the page or by clicking on their username if you see it in your feed. Once you're on their profile, look just under their bio. Here, you'll find the Highlights section. Click on the highlight that interests you. This will open up the stories that are saved in that highlight. Now, here's where it gets easy. With the story open, go to the address bar at the top of your browser. You'll see a link that directs to this specific highlight. Click on it to select the entire URL, then right-click and choose Copy. This action saves the link to your clipboard. Next, it's time to send that link. On the left side of your screen, locate and click on Messenger. This will open your chat options. Find the chat where you want to send the highlight link. Once you're in the conversation, right-click in the message box and select Paste to insert the link you just copied. Finally, hit Send. Your friend will now have direct access to that Instagram highlight without any hassle. And there you have it. Sending a highlight link on Instagram from your PC is straightforward and quick. Whether you're sharing fun moments or important updates, this new feature makes it easier than ever to connect with others on Instagram. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using social media effectively.